Welcome back, you guys. I am excited to be making these for the first time, and I'm making them because it's never a bad thing to have some of these, and that is gummies, but with a twist. So today I'm going to be making some vitamin C gummies as well as electrolyte gummies. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do it. It's 3 ingredients and we're going to do it together. I actually just got these molds. I haven't even used them yet, but I'm super excited to show you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as we all know, if you're a parent and you have a child who has a runny nose or has the little symptoms of a cold coming on, the first thing that we do in our house is we load up extra on the supplements. We use nasal nose spray. I actually have some over there. I should have brought it so I could show you. And then I have my honey and garlic cough syrup that I use. And if you don't have your own cough syrup that you've made, I'll link that one down below in the description and you can check it out and make some for your household. But it's never a bad idea to have vitamin gummies, electrolyte gummies on hand, and it's even more exciting or cool when you can make them yourself. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. Now, what I have here, and I just got these online, are the gummy molds. So these ones here are some dinosaurs. These are all just plain gummy bears. And then these, I've got 2. They are all the different fruits. So you can see this side is where you put them in the mold. That's the bubbled side, as you can see there. So these are the molds I have. I can actually link this description down below as well for where I got these. And they came with 2 droppers. So once we make our gummy mixture, you're gonna use these droppers to put it into the molds, and then we'll put them in the fridge so they can become a gummy. So I'm going to walk you now through the 3 ingredients you're going to need to make the gummy mixture, and I'm gonna be making 2 today. So I'm gonna be making a vitamin C gummy as well as an electrolyte gummy. So when your children are feeling under the weather, or even yourself, most people go and get electrolyte drinks. A lot of people go to Gatorade. Gatorade is not that great for you. Look into it, look for alternatives. That's what I did. Some people use liquid IV electrolytes. They're a little on the pricey side. I found these electrolytes, and I'll show you, and they're really good. The flavor is really good too. So it almost tastes like Starbursts, like fruity, the ones that I have here, but there's a bunch of different flavors, but I'm gonna show you the ones that I'm doing today, and we're gonna go ahead and do it together. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my recipe here for my gummies, and what you're going to need is 2 small packets of unflavored gelatin, which equals 2 tablespoons, 1 cup of boiling water, and then whatever you want to make the gummy into. So you're either gonna use 1 scoop or 1 packet of Activate C. That is the vitamin C that I use. I don't know if you can see this. Here's my light. There we go. That's the one that I use. So this one's orange flavored. Kind of tastes like Tang. So growing up, you've probably tried Tang. This is exactly what this tastes like. It's the same thing, but better, like you would buy in Walmart. Emergency, the vitamin C drink. This one is the one I use, once again called Activate C, but this one is patented with an oligo technology, so it enters your body on a cellular level, which is so important. So I'm going to be using this, making 1 round of gummies, and then the other ones we're gonna be making is, like I said, your electrolyte. So you can buy powdered electrolyte drinks in most stores. Look at the ingredients, look at what it is that you're using. This is the alternative to Gatorade that we found. So much better, way less calories, way less sugar, and the benefits are amazing. I'll actually link down below in the description the benefits of this one. It's just incredible, and like I said, it tastes incredible too. So I have this flavor that I'm going to be using. I'm pretty sure I have my other one out too, but I don't know if I'm going to use that one. So this box here comes with individual packets. So if you were to make it like a normal electrolyte drink, you would just put this in a water bottle, shake it up. It becomes your electrolyte drink like a Gatorade, but it's called Sustain. This is also how it can come in a tub form with a scoop. Now this one in the box is blueberry pomegranate. This one here is frosted lime. So 2 different flavors I could use. I also have raspberry lemonade, grapefruit, just regular lemonade, orange. There's a bunch of different ones, but I think I'm gonna go with this one today. So all I need for this recipe then to make 2 different rounds of gummies is I'm going to do the blueberry pomegranate electrolyte in a gummy form, and then I'm going to do the orange Activate C vitamin C in a gummy form. So let's go ahead first. Maybe we'll start with the electrolyte, and let's go ahead and start making. Okay, so this is going to be quite simple and straightforward. I already have here 1 cup of boiling water. It's steaming, I'm not sure if you can see that. So in this cup of boiling water, what I'm going to add is 2 packets of unflavored gelatin. You can get this at your local grocery store most likely. And then I'm going to add my 1 packet, or if I was using this, 1 scoop in. I'm gonna mix it all up. That's it. I'm going to take my dropper, I'm going to suck it up out of here and drop it into all of my gummy containers, or I guess my gummy mold, if you want to call it whatever you want to call it. And then that's it. We put it in the fridge, let them just rest and cool so they turn to a gummy, and then that's it. So let's go ahead, mix this up, and get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you what they look like, and this is going to make a lot. So let me turn you around and show you. So here we go. There is 1 mold done, and we still have, what is this? Half of a cup? Not even. We used like 1/3 of a cup. So I'm going to continue to fill, see how many we can get, and then I will show you what they look like. So these ones look like they might be a bit bigger than these, but we've got 1 mold full. I'll show you the electrolyte up close too. So this is Activate Hydration Blueberry Pomegranate, and that is it there. So let me finish filling these and then I'll show you. Okay, so I just finished this whole thing. So that full cup is gone of the electrolytes, and I'm gonna have to put these in the fridge and come back tomorrow morning, pop them out, wash the molds, and then do my vitamin C, because I used all my molds. I honestly didn't think it was gonna go that far, but let me turn you around and show you. So here we go. So this is all I had left out of my last mold, was 2 rows. So I've got a full 4 rows, a full tray, a full tray, and a full tray. So there we go. They are all full. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes at least, and then enjoy. So I may be able to pop them out tonight before bed and do the second round. We'll see. So these are gonna go into the fridge and then I will show you what they look like. Okay, so they're in the fridge. I'm just gonna let them chill for about half hour and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, you guys, it's been about, I'd say an hour, so I'm going to pop them out. And how you know they are ready is if you just go like this. See how it popped out a little bit there? It's just gonna come right out of the mold. And look, can you see it? Oh my gosh, they're so good too. Okay, I'm gonna pop all of them out and then I'll show you what they look like in the container. Wow. That is so good. Okay. Let me pop them out and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so here we go. Here are all the gummies. You can see that they're gummy, but I'm gonna show you because I kept some out here on the counter. I'm gonna show you what they look like. But it says, the recipe says it makes 1 to 2 dozen. We have a heck of a lot more than that. And I gotta tell you guys, there's some when I pulled them out of the molds, they broke, so those ones were taste testers. And they're all good. But that's what they look like. I'm gonna grab my camera, bring it down here, and show you what they look like up close. So here is what they look like up close. So we've got some cherries, a raspberry, that looks like a melon, an apple. We've got our couple different dinosaurs here. And then this is the gummy bear. But they turned out amazing and they taste super, super good. So there we go. I've got them all out. So this is our electrolyte and I already put it away. So this is the electrolyte gummy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the exact same recipe. So 2 packets of unflavored gelatin, 1 cup of boiling water, and now I'm going to make the vitamin C. Now, if you're wondering where I get these, there's a link in my bio. We switched stores to everything in our house, and the store that we get these at, or the store that we switched everything in our house to is where we get these at. So if you want to check that out, there's a link in my bio, click it, and you'll see all the information for it. So anyways, I'm going to make this one now. I'm not gonna show you all the steps again. It's the exact same thing, but once they're done, I'm gonna bring you back. I'm gonna pop these ones out of the mold, and then I will show you what they all look like. Okay, so I have all of the vitamin C gummies done now, and they're gonna go in the fridge. Okay, so I've got all of the orange ones popped out. This container is right full, but there we go. We've got the orange ones. I'm gonna turn you around and I'll show you. I've kept some out here again so I can show you them. Okay, so here are the orange ones. So I've got all the dinosaurs, the bears, and then the fruits. And then, like I said, here is the full container of all of the gummies. So there we go. That is exactly how you make vitamin C and electrolyte gummies for anybody in your household to eat. Just as a treat. There's no harm in having them every day if you want to, because electrolytes are hydration, vitamin C is vitamin C, and it's always just gonna boost your immunity. So there you go. And like I said, guys, we switched everything in our store or in our house to this store that carries all of this stuff. If you're interested in wanting to find out about this store, it's absolutely amazing. We stopped shopping at the big box stores 3 years ago. We shop from here now. So there's a link in my bio if you want to click it about switching stores and fill the information out. I would be more than willing to send it over. It's just been the biggest blessing in our life, and it's very, very affordable. Absolutely love it. So I've got the electrolyte gummy, the vitamin C gummy. I'm gonna grab the other one out of the fridge so I can show you again. And yeah, let me grab them, I'll show you. Okay, So here we go. So we've got the vitamin C and the electrolyte gummies. And like I said, this recipe was supposed to yield 1 to 2 dozen. We've got a heck of a lot more than that. I think double than that. So whatever recipe this was here probably had a bigger mold, but these are perfect. So my plan is to just give each of my kiddos, myself, my husband, eat 4 or 5 a day until they're gone, or snack on all of them if you want to, because it's basically 1 serving and 1 serving. So if you wanted to sit here and eat this whole bowl of gummies, absolutely. And you can be conscious that it's literally the best thing for you, because all it is an electrolyte, the water, and gelatin. And gelatin is a protein. So there you go, guys. That's exactly how you make gummies at home that are good for your health. And they turned out perfect. So if you found info, or if you found this video very informative and you want to share it to somebody, please go ahead and do that. Click the share button. If you like what you see, click the like button. But as always, I appreciate you guys following along and just watching everything that I post up here. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And remember to click that bell, ring it, subscribe so you never miss a video. And I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye.